In our solar system, two giants rule above all others, Jupiter and Saturn. Both are enormous, both are made mostly of gas, and both are absolutely mind-blowing in their own way. But which one wins in a head-to-head battle? Today, we're putting these two titans side by side, and by the end, you'll know them like old friends. Let's get into it. Round 1. Size. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system, no contest. It's so massive that all the other planets could fit inside it at the same time. We're talking 1,300 Earths crammed into one planet. It weighs more than twice as much as every other planet combined. Saturn isn't small by any means. It's the second largest planet and still a whocker. About 760 Earths fit inside it, but compared to Jupiter, it's the little sibling. Round 1 winner, Jupiter by a massive margin. Round 2, the rings. Jupiter does have rings, but they're thin, dark, and made mostly of dust. You'd barely notice them. They're like a faint pencil sketch compared to a painting. Saturn's rings are one of the most iconic sights in the entire solar system. They stretch nearly 175,000 miles wide, but are surprisingly thin, sometimes less than 100 feet. Made of billions of chunks of ice and rock, they shimmer and glow. Even a basic backyard telescope can show them off. Round 2 winner, Saturn. It's not even close. Those rings are legendary. Round 3, storms. Jupiter is home to the most famous storm in the solar system, the Great Red Spot, a hurricane-like storm that has been raging for at least 350 years. At its peak, it was wider than 3 Earths. Even though it's been shrinking recently, it's still enormous and shows no signs of stopping. Saturn has its own wild storms, including a mysterious 6-shaped storm at its north pole called the hexagon. It's a jet stream shaped like a perfect hexagon, wider than 2 Earths, and it's been spinning there for decades. Nobody fully understands why it forms that shape.
Round 3 winner, a tie. Jupiter for raw power, Saturn for pure weirdness. Round 4, moons. Jupiter has 95 known moons. 4 of them, the Galilean moons, are huge. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury. Europa is especially exciting because scientists believe there's a liquid ocean beneath its icy surface, meaning it could potentially harbor life. Saturn has 146 known moons, the most of any planet we know of. Its standout is Titan, so big it has its own thick atmosphere, with lakes and rivers filled with liquid methane instead of water. Another moon, Enceladus, shoots giant plumes of water ice into space from cracks in its surface. Round 4 winner, Saturn. Sheer numbers plus Titan and Enceladus are absolutely fascinating.
Round 5, speed and day length. Jupiter spins incredibly fast for something so massive. One day on Jupiter lasts less than 10 hours, the shortest day of any planet. It spins so fast it bulges out at the equator, giving it a slightly squashed shape. Saturn also spins fast. A day there is about 10.5 hours, and Saturn holds the record for least dense planet. It's so light relative to its size that if you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float in water. Round 5 winner, Jupiter, barely. Slightly faster spin. Saturn wins the Fun Fact Award for being the floaty planet. Round 6, magnetic fields. Jupiter has the most powerful magnetic field of any planet, about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This creates massive auroras at its poles that dwarf anything we see on Earth, and radiation belts that would be lethal to unprotected humans. Saturn has a strong magnetic field, but nothing like Jupiter's. What makes it unusual is that its magnetic field is almost perfectly aligned with its rotation axis, incredibly rare and still puzzling to scientists. Round 6 winner, Jupiter. It's basically a magnetic powerhouse. So, who wins the battle of the gas giants? Jupiter wins on raw power, bigger, stronger magnetically, and home to that legendary storm. But Saturn wins on beauty and mystery, those rings, the strange hexagon, the incredible moons like Titan and Enceladus. Honestly, they're both champions. Jupiter is the beast, Saturn is the showstopper, and together they're the reason our solar system is one of the most spectacular places in the universe. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe, because next time we're tackling the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Trust me, they're weirder than you think. This is Facts of the Universe. See you in that next video. Peace.